Hello, everyone. My name is Saleem, and I'm the Pearson Campus Ambassador at the University of Virginia. With classes moving virtually, I want to share a few tips with you that have helped me with the transition and show you a few tips to get the most out of the Pearson eText feature. Please note that while I'm demonstrating the Mastering Biology eText, all Pearson Mastering courses have the same or similar features available. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to me or Ashley McPherson, the Pearson representative for UVA. We are here to help you during this difficult time. The Pearson Mastering eText feature is very useful to complete homework and to prepare for exams. The Pearson eText is not simply a PDF of the textbook, but a website that has many features. Two things about the Pearson eText is the organization level of it and its interactivity. For organization, it has a neat table of contents, a notebook area, a study tools area, and it's smart, meaning that it remembers where you left off. It is also very interactive, which allows you to highlight and add notes, such as main ideas, questions, observations. It has a nice feature of multimedia depending on the area of study, such as quick definitions, animations, videos, graph, things like that. And of course, you can personalize it to adjust the text size and the background color. So to show you some of these features, I'm gonna go log in. I've already logged into my Mastering Bio course. I'm gonna click on the Pearson eText. So as you notice, for its smart feature, it's gonna open up where I used it last, and that's gonna be chapter 2, concept 2.2. And you're gonna see that I've already highlighted some things and taken some notes. So I wanted to share the cool features real quick. I'm gonna show you the display setting where you can personalize it. You can, of course, change the font size, make it bigger, make it smaller, and you can choose background color or text color from these three options. You can also, while you're reading, if you're not interested in seeing or you're just bothered by seeing all the highlights that you have on a page, you can remove the highlights. That's where you're just reading, but it also continues to show you that you have highlighted things and you continue to have access to them even when you don't have the show highlight feature on. One thing I wanted to point out is that three kind of big things about the eText is the contents page, where you're going to see the chapter, the sections, and kind of summary of key concepts and places to test your understanding per chapter. The notebook feature, we're going to see where you've taken all your notes. And then the study feature, I'll get into that a little bit more, but you're going to have definitions and key terms there. So to get started, I wanted to show you some of the things I've already highlighted. Here we're talking about the subatomic particles. So I can click here, I can change the highlight color. I can also see if I have any notes or add any notes here. On this highlight, I have already added a note. I put neutron equals neutral and I saved it, and I can see it and I can view it from here. Or as I've said, you can go to the menu notebook and you can see right here, neutron neutral. You can see that note. One cool feature is that, like I said, you can change the highlight color. We have pink, yellow, and turquoise. We have three different options. I'm going to show you kind of highlighting and going through one myself. So I'm going to highlight here the definition of an atom. I'm going to put it in pink. I'm going to add a note. I'm just going to put atom is the smallest unit of matter. And I'm going to save the note. And as I've said before, you can access it through here to see the notes, or you can go through the notebook area and view your notes. One cool thing about the notebook area is that you can filter it by chapter or by the color of highlights or by any tags you've created. Another thing I like to use is, for example, if I'm studying, like, let's say for this chapter, I can select all the notes I have for this chapter and I can download them in a PDF, and it will come up right here. And it says, it has the notes that I've highlighted in the textbook, so the actual text itself. And then it has my notes. Like I told you before, there's the neutron neutral and the atom's the smallest unit of matter, things that I wrote there. So that's a very neat feature where I can print it and then add more handwritten notes on there and highlight it myself and go through it. I'm gonna go back to the contents page here. And as you can see, you can go, there's a lot of pictures, a lot of graphs, a lot of videos, and you can change the speed of the video and add closed captioning as well. Another cool feature is the search page. You can search by key terms or by videos, images, chapters, or page numbers. So for example, we're talking about the atom. I'm just gonna search atom. So it also breaks it down for you. So there's content, and it shows you a summary of key concepts as you're understanding, and where atom shows up. It shows notes that I've taken. And then finally, it shows figures that the word atom or the idea of an atom exists in. And it also has a glossary and videos if you would like to see those as well. So it's not just kind of like doing a Command F on a PDF where it only shows you the word, but it brings up videos for you and figures as well. Another cool feature of this is that you can bookmark here, and of course you can view your bookmarks from your history. You can see, and you can see remove bookmarks. And then the one big cool, very cool feature is a study. So I'm going to go to chapter 2, and you can see here you have cards, kind of just like normal Word, and then the definition, and you can kind of go through them, and you can shuffle them, or shuffles it for you. You can do that, or you can switch. You can see the terms or the meaning of them, whatever you like. Another cool feature is I'm removing this real quick, is match. So you can match things like this, and it gives you points. You can do it by speed, however you like. But one of my favorite features is here you can see all the terms themselves, and then you can star them if that's what you want to focus on, and you would go to the saved and see the ones you've saved and only practice those. But one of my favorite features in the study area is this practice right here. So it has the features, those same key terms, but you are studying them differently. So for this one, it's simply as a flashcard, and you can say, yes, I got this right. Or it can be type the answer, and then you can submit it, and it tells you the answer. You can go next, another flashcard. It can be in the form of this, multiple choice, or just simply flashcards. So that's a very neat feature, and it shows you the progress that you're making. And finally, you can go here, you can print the page, and then you can contact support if you have any further questions. If you're not sure about how the features are working, or if you're not sure of something, and then you can click X here. I'm going to go back. So these are some of just the features that allow the Pearson eText to be more than just a e-textbook and a PDF file with the text itself. It's a little bit more interactive with the videos, the figures, and allowing you not to just passively read, but actively read by allowing you to annotate, highlight, change font, things like that. So thank you for your attention, and I wish you good luck for this semester and future semesters. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Ashley, and we're always here to help, especially during this difficult time. Thank you for your time.